Actually, I think we managed to find a good configuration. Oh no, it's too big. Hello guys, so today we'll try to install Arch Linux using the new official installer. So you'll have to create a bootable USB, or if you are installing it on a VirtualBox like I'm doing it here, you won't need that. So usually to install Arch you have to read the wiki, the installation guide from the wiki, but you also have it here. But today we are not going to use that to install it. Instead, I'm going to install it for the first time using the official installer and see how that goes. So let's get started. To get started, just run arch install. So first we have to select our keyboard layout. In my case is the US layout. I'm located in Romania and we have a mirror server for packages, so I'm going to select that. Now here we have to select the hard disk that we want to install this on. If you don't have the partition already created, you should do that before using this installer. In my case I have I use VirtualBox and I see there are the partition already created, so I'm just going to select the main one. Now we have to select the file system type. I'm going to go with option number 1. This is a VirtualBox, so no need for encryption. Set a root password and the passwords for the username and the username. You should probably select here yes if you want to be a super user and be able to use sudo. We don't need any more usernames, so I'm just going to click enter. Here, if you are on a desktop or on a server, you can select whichever works best for you. To showcase it, I'm going to select desktop, and now it will ask me for it asks me for what desktop environment I want to use. Let's go with 11. Here you have to select your graphic card. I am on VirtualBox. I'm going to select 4. I think Pulse Audio is fine. So I selected 2 options here. Now I can just leave it blank and I don't want to install on any additional packages. I'm going to use Network Manager. Let's see if this works. And here we go. Here we can see the information we selected. I'm just going to press enter. If you are on your main machine, you may want to double check, but here is just a VirtualBox for this demonstration only, so I'm going to go ahead. So now the installation process started. I will cut the video until everything is done. Here I see it has a bug or something, but it's just the output. So the installation is done. It was pretty fast. Now it asks me if I want to do anything else. No, let's just restart. After you restart, if you still have the bootable partition on, make sure you select boot existing IS. As you can see, we have the group menu. So let's see if it worked. Yes, it worked fine. Unfortunately, I have some errors with my VirtualBox. I don't sure why I don't have my resolution here, but that's about it for today. We should probably install something else to have it full screen. We have to install something on the host operating system. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below.